breaking news.
It is being called a huge victory for transgender civil rights in Iowa. A bill designed to reclassify protections for those Iowans failed at the State House today. It would have removed protection for any kind of gender dysphoria under the Civil Rights Act.
KCCI senior reporter Todd Magel is live at the State House, where the public hearing turned into a massive rally. Todd, why was this bill introduced?
Well, there's one simple reason. There's a representative. His name is Jeff Shipley. He's a Republican from Fairfield, and he spoke at the hearing, which was just behind me here today. He says, and I'm quoting here, that transgender people are disabled and that they are mentally ill. Well, today, Iowans who strongly disagree with that fought back to protect civil rights for transgender people. Shouts of joy today from hundreds of transgender Iowans and their supporters. They packed into the State House hallway to celebrate their civil rights. Do you consider this a victory today?
I would guess so, but how pathetic that we even had to go through this.
They had the power to do the right thing and strike down the bill. And the world is watching today. For me as a person, as an Iowan, I am relieved, and I am relieved for my family and my friends.
Moments earlier, a House subcommittee was considering a bill that would take away civil rights of transgender Iowans. Even after it failed, the bill's sponsor, Jeff Shipley, a Republican from Fairfield, continued to call them disabled and mentally ill.
I think there certainly is a mental impairment there. I think when you look at the overlap between psychiatric diagnosis and transgender individuals, I think there's certainly, we have a mental health crisis all over the place.
Some Iowans agree.
God ordained two sexes, two genders. And I highly suggest we keep it that way.
But others say lawmakers can't take away civil rights.
Haven't you taken enough? Or do you need to sacrifice another pound of flesh on the altar of the culture war? So let's recap here, because you've denied us health care, you've banned our books, and you've harassed and forcibly outed queer kids.
It makes my heart heavy knowing myself and other trans folks' lives are not seen as equal to others. Gender dysphoria and being trans isn't a disability. I am not disabled.
In the end, the two Republicans and one Democrat on the subcommittee voted to kill the controversial bill.
This is pretty simple, folks. We as legislators should not be taking away civil rights for people in our state.
Now, we asked lawmakers about whether this particular bill could come back. They said probably not this session. We're live at the State House. Todd Magel, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.